Now in the last subtask of the calculator project, we're going to be adding a loop. That is, previously if you noticed, our calculator is working, but then we can only either choose addition or subtraction only once, thereby making the exit button useless. But now we're going to add an infinite loop, that is, unless the user exit, the user can keep performing addition or subtraction. So there's only very small change in the code. That is, we're going to go down to the main function, and in the main function we are simply going to write while1 to form an infinite loop, and in case user choice is equal to 3, then we're going to break out of the loop, or else we're going to keep iterating through the loop, calling the display function to display the menu and asking the user input and handling the choice. Let's just run this code once. So let me give add, and let me add 2 and 3, and I would on 5, and then once again my menu is being printed. So let me just give exit. So I was able to exit the calculator. Let's just submit this code once. So I passed the test cases. So this project calculator is done for now. That was it for the calculator project, and this project was from our course Projects for Beginners in C. And if you're watching this on YouTube, maybe head over to CodeChef and try this project out. And if you're watching this on CodeChef, great job diving into the solution. Move on to the next project. Thank you.